Hey guys, meet my friend Leo.
Okay.
Leo has forgotten me. Leo? Leo, do you remember? Oh, now he remembers me.
Yeah.
Leo, do you remember me? Old friend? Oh, Leo, come. 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 Sit on my lap so I can hug you. Oh, Leo is now, he's just warming up, I think. He's like, you can, yeah, okay. You can do that and then maybe you'll come closer. Yay. You remember me now? Leo, where are you going? Aww. Now he remembers. Aww. Leo, you're so cute. Now, aww. You're chilling. You're so cute. I like your hair. Did you shampoo your hair? Did you get a haircut? Last time I think his hair was long and oh my god, I hope Leo, I hope I gave you time to warm up. I hope I didn't jump onto you. Oh my god, he's like chilling. Leo, say hi to my viewers. Oh my god, he's so cute. I love his teeth too. Leo. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Oh. What is he doing? He's resting?
Yeah, he's relaxing.
Oh. You can relax.
Yeah.
You can relax. We can relax together. I can always use some relaxation, especially with someone like you. Show me your face, Leo. Oh, how cute. Show me your smile. He's like, don't annoy me. Oh my god, Leo, you're so cute. I'm like obsessed with. I'm so glad I met him. The last time I saw him was, I think, a month ago. Like a month ago. Oh, he's like happy, he's relaxing. Oh. Oh, he's so cute, Leo. Oh my god, I'm like so like excited, honestly. Oh, he's like Leo, 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 Leo. Oh, you're happy. You're happy after that hug. After that hug, you're happy. Oh my god, I need to get one of these pets. Okay. Bye, Leo. I'll miss you. Thank you for letting me pet him. Yeah, bye. Bye. Are you sad? We'll see each other again. Bye. Oh, he doesn't want to walk now. He's relaxed. I'm glad you feel relaxed. I feel so relaxed too. Thanks to you. Oh, I'm so glad I ran into you while walking. Oh, he's tired. You're so cute. Look at your lovely face. I want to know what shampoo do you use? Your hair is so soft. Okay, now he's ready to walk. So bye now, okay? Oh my god, guys, that was my bye. That was my one of the staff in our housing management. That was his wife taking the dog out, the puppy out for a walk. And I know I say hi to everyone around, so I guess a lot of people know me just by face. And this woman's husband, like, he comes sometimes to take care of appliances and plumbing and whatnot. And so I've seen him walking with the puppy, and I pet the puppy sometimes. And sometimes his wife will take the puppy out, so I kind of know them. Like I said, I say hi to everyone, and just like smile at everyone and say hi. It's like probably too much, but I guess I naturally am like that, and I don't mind. And you really don't know what your smile can do to others, and that's something I am realizing with my own being someone on the receiving side. I've realized a smile can really make someone's day. It sounds dramatic, but it truly does have that power, especially if it comes from your heart, and if it comes from a place of, oh, you know, I see you, I care for you, and we are together. You know, I don't know, like, I think a smile does hold a lot of power if you use it genuinely, and if you use it from your heart. So of course, like, I don't do it all the time, like from my heart. Sometimes it's just like a reflex in me, but I really have been trying to just like smile at someone and just let them know that I see them, and that feeling can be very empowering to both you as someone who is doing that to others, and as well as the other person. So I had to go the other way. So yeah, so thank you for tuning in. Bye for now, and do subscribe if you like the vibe to my channel. Bye bye.